Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in our today's session. First we will start with our assembly, and first we will start with our prayer. So all of you stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and start. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, मुनियों ने समझी है, गुणियों ने जानी, मुनियों ने समझी है, गुणियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी। हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे, अज्ञानता के मिटा दे अंधेरे, अज्ञानता के मिटा दे अंधेरे, उजालों का हमको संसार दे माँ, उजालों का हमको संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। Rub your palms, touch to your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Now, thought of the day. Successful people always have two things on their lips: silence and smile. Means smile can solve problem and silence to avoid problems. Okay? As an example, sugar and salt may be mixed together, but ants reject the salt and carry away only the sugar. Yes? Select the right people in life and make your life better and sweeter. Okay? Our GK question is, who is Sachin Tendulkar? And the options are A. Indian hockey player, B. Indian cricketer, C. Indian kabaddi player, D. Indian marathon runner. And here the correct answer is Indian cricketer. Sachin Tendulkar is an Indian cricketer. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar, born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, is a former Indian cricketer. Yet he has the highest number of runs in both Test cricket and One-day internationals. He also has the highest number of centuries in both formats of the game. Okay? All of you understood? So first we will start with our fifth lesson. How do families eat? See, only we will discuss about the important points. First one is meals at regular intervals of time. We eat our meals at regular intervals of time. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat lunch in the afternoon, light snacks in the evening, and dinner at night. Okay, so in the morning breakfast, then lunch, then light snacks in the evening, and dinner at night. Some family members go out to work or to study because of this. Usually, during dinner time, all family members sit together. Why? Because some family members go out to work or study. At the dinner time, children share about their day at school. At dinner time, children share about their day at school. While having meals together, family members follow some good practices. These are called table manners. Okay, repeat with me. While having meals together, family members follow some good practices. These are called table manners. So about the table manners. First one is always say please when you ask for food. Then second one is remember to say thank you when you are served something. Then do not talk when food in your mouth. Take care not to spill food on the table. Do not watch TV or play with phones while eating. Yes, do not watch TV or play with phones while eating. Always finish all the food on your plate. Then wait till everyone has finished eating. Yes, these are the table manners. Then some families pray before eating. Yes, all of you understood? Now our sixth lesson. Games we play. We play some games inside the house or in a building. These games are called indoor games. Example: chess, carom, ludo, snake and ladder, and so on. Repeat with me. We play games inside the house or a building. These games are called indoor games. Then about the outdoor games. Some games are played outside the house, in the open ground or playground. They are called outdoor games. Example, cricket, football, hockey. Repeat, some games are played outside the house, in the open ground or playground. They are called outdoor games. Example, cricket, football, hockey. Now, the games played by one person. Example, yoga. Then, group games. The games played by two or more persons. Example, Ludo, chess, carom, snake and ladder. Now see, the places where the games are played is different. Yes, the places where the games are played is different. Example, some games are played on courts while some games are played on the playing fields. Some games are played on courts while some games are played on the playing fields. Tennis is played by 2 or 4 people. Then about the team games. Cricket, hockey, football, kabaddi are team games. Then what we learn in our lesson? Which body parts used while playing the games? Example, chess. Eyes and hands. Yes? Video games. In video games, eyes and hands. Which body part we use? Eyes and hands. Then for cricket, hands, eyes and legs. Now, benefits of playing games. First one is they help us to spend time with others and make new friends. They help us to spend time with others and make new friends. Then second one is they teach us to work hard. They teach us to work hard. Then they help us to think better. They help us to think better. Then fourth one is team games are help us to work in groups and help one another. Team games are help us to work in groups and help one another. Okay? All of you understood this lesson? 5th and 6th lesson? Now we will watch a video.
Lesson 5. How do families eat? Summary. We eat our meals at regular intervals of time. Members of a family have their meals together. We eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, light snacks in the evening, and dinner at night. The good practices that should be followed while having food together are called table manners. Family members help one another. The eating habits of different families are different. Lesson 6. Games we play. Summary. The games that are played inside the house or a building are called indoor games. The games that are played outside the house or in an open space are called outdoor games. Every game has a set of rules. Some games are played by a single player while some are group games. The places where different outdoor games are played are also different. Some are played in courts and some are played in playing fields. Playing games makes us active, strong, and healthy.
Now, our 7th lesson. Places around us. The places used by people The places used by people are called public places. Okay? The public places are open to everyone. The places used by people are called public places. Okay? So first one is places to learn. School, college and university. Then places to shop, eat, play and have fun. Places to shop, eat, play and have fun. Shopping malls, park, movie theater, restaurant. Then places to worship. Temple, mosque, church, gurudwara. Now about the service places. Okay. Bus station, railway station, airport, police station, fire station, post office, hospital and bank. Okay. See service places. Bus station, railway station, airport, police station, fire station, post office, hospital and bank. Now about the park. A park is a large public garden or area of land. Okay? A park is a large public garden or area of land. We can play games. Yes? Then about the shopping malls. Large buildings or group of buildings, they are called malls. Large building or group of buildings, they are called malls. The malls we can shop, eat, play and relax. Now the places of worship. The places where we go to pray. The places where we go to pray. Then the places help us to go from one place to another. The places help us to go from one place to another. Example, bus station, railway station and airport. Okay? The places help us to go from one place to another. Example, bus station, railway station and airport. And another service places, police station, fire station, post office, hospital and bank. Yes? Now see students, what we learn in our lesson. We have to protect these places. Yes? First one is, we should not spit or throw garbage near these places. Okay? Then we should not write or draw anything on their walls. We should not write or draw anything on their walls. Understood the important points of 7th lesson? Now our 8th lesson. Caring for plants and animals. We find different types of plants around us. Yes, we find different types of plants around us. We see plants in gardens, parks and along roadside. Where we see the plants? In gardens, parks and along roadside. See, some people also keep plants inside their house. Some people also keep plants inside their house. We found plants in a garden, in a house, then roadside plants, plants in a field, and then forest trees. Okay? Then about the animals. Where we found animals? Dogs and cow on the street. Bear at a zoo. Animals at home. Ducks in a pond. Yes, tiger in the jungle. And cattle in a field. Okay. Plants and animals around us help us in many ways. Plants and animals around us help us in many ways. We should protect them. To protect means take care of something. Okay? We should protect them means take care of some. What we can do to protect plants and animals? First thing, we should not cut trees. We should not cut trees. Then second one, trees should be planted. Trees should be planted. Then third one, we can use a plant cage to protect baby plants. Then we should water them regularly. Then about the animals, okay? We should provide them food and water. We should provide them with food and water. We can use bird feeder. Then third one is we should not harm animals. Okay? Repeat with me. What about the plants? We should not cut trees. Then trees should be planted. We can use a plant cage to protect baby plants. We should water them regularly. Then about the animals, we should provide them with food and water. We can use bird feeder. We should not harm animals. Okay? Now which trees belongs to us? What we learn in our lesson? Which trees belongs to us? The trees in public places like gardens or roadside, and the plants we have in our house belongs to us. Yes? Which trees belongs to us? The trees in gardens, roadsides, and in our house belongs to us. First thing. Then trees help us in many ways. Yes, they give us shade and they are home for many birds and animals. Yes, trees gives us shade and they are home for many birds and animals. Some of them gives us fruits. Yes, some of them gives us fruits. Now, this is all about our lessons. So, all of you read the lessons carefully. Yes? Now, multiple choice questions. First one is, what do we call the meal we have in the afternoon? And options are A. breakfast, B. lunch, C. dinner, and D. snacks. A. breakfast, B. lunch, C. dinner, and D. snacks. So we have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner in night, and light snacks in the evening. So here the correct answer is lunch. Yes. What do we call the meal we have in the afternoon? We call lunch. Okay, we call it lunch. Then our second question. Which of the following is an indoor game? The games. What about the indoor games? The games which played inside the house or building, these are called indoor games. Okay, these games are called indoor games. So here the options are A. Ludo, B. football, C. golf, D. hockey. Football, golf and hockey, these all are outdoor games which play outside the house or building. Okay, Ludo play inside the house or building. So here the correct answer is Ludo. Okay. Then our third question. Which of the following is a place to worship? The worship means a place to pray. Yes. And the options are A. restaurant, B. post office, C. church, and D. bank. So here the correct answer is church, a place to pray. Okay. The following places, which of the following is a place of worship? Church is a place of worship. Then our fourth question. Which of the following gives a shade? Which of the following gives a shade? A. baby plants, B. crow, C. frog, D. trees. Baby plants are small in size. Crow is a bird. Frog is an animal. And trees are tall and they are big. They gives us shade. Okay. So which of the following gives us shade? Trees gives us shade. Okay. Now our fifth question. How should we get into the bus at a bus stop? How should we get into the bus at a bus stop? And here the options are A. by pushing one another, B. by rushing into the bus, C. by standing in a queue, D. fighting with others. Yes. So here the correct answer is by standing in a queue. Okay. How should we get into the bus at a bus stop? By standing in a queue. Then our sixth question. Which of the following games needs the use of only eyes and hands? Which of the following games needs the use of only eyes and hands? And the options are A. Cricket, B. Hockey, C. Carom, D. Tennis. For cricket, which body part use? Hand, eyes and legs. For hockey, hands, eyes and legs. Okay. Tennis, hands, eyes and legs. Okay. So here, what is the question? The question is, which of the following games needs the use of only eyes and hands? And the answer is carom. For carom, we need the which body parts use? The eyes and the hands. So here the correct answer is carom. Then our seventh question. While having meals together, family members follow some good practices. These are called, options are A. Manners, B. Rules, C. Table manners, D. Practices. And here the correct answer is table manners. While having meals together, family members follow some good practices. These are called table manners. Okay, see here. Our seventh question. Find the odd one out. Okay, A. Tiger, B. Dog, C. Frog, D. Cat. And the correct answer is tiger. Yes? Then our next question. Which of the following is not a good practice? Which of the following is not a good practice? And here the options are A. Rita takes her meals with her family. B. Deepak helps to set the table for dinner. C. Parents of a child do not let him go to school. And D. Seema helps her mother in cleaning the dishes. So what is the question? Which of the following is not a good practice? Rita takes her meals with her family. This is good. Then Deepak helps to set the table for dinner. This is also good practice. Parents of a child do not let him go to school. This is not a good practice. So here the correct answer is parents of a child do not let him go to school. Okay? Now our ninth question. We go to play in the dash. A. Playground, B. Bank, C. Hospital, D. Police station. Where we go to play? We go to play in the playground. Okay. Then our 10th question. Which of the following plants not belongs to us? Okay. Which of the following plants not belongs to us? And A. Roadside plant, B. Plants in a field, C. Plants in public places. D. Plants in our house. So here the correct answer is plants in a field. Not belongs to us. Yes? Roadside plants, plants in public places, plants in our house. These all types of plants belongs to us. Yes? But plants in field not belongs to us. So here the correct answer is B. Plants in a field. Okay. Now we will watch a video.
There are different places around us where we go for various purposes. We must be familiar with these places: garden, church, railway station, school, hospital, post office, zoo, library, bank. Here are some more examples of names of places: airport, bus stand, market, stadium, house, temple, beach, hill, monument.
Lesson 7. Places around us. Summary. Places used by people are called public places. Different places around us give us different services. We go to schools, colleges, and universities to learn. We go to restaurants, movie theaters, parks, and shopping malls to eat, watch movies, play, and have fun. We go to the temple, church, mosque, and gurudwara to pray. Bus stations, railway stations, and airports help us to get transport so that we can go from one place to another. The police keep harmful people in the police station. The fire station sends the firefighters and fire brigade to put out the fire. A post office helps to send and receive letters and parcels. We go to a hospital when we get hurt or fall ill. We keep our money and jewelry in a bank to keep it safe. We should protect public places.
A plant needs 5 things to stay alive. These are the 5 things it needs to survive. The plant needs the sun, nice and bright. The leaves of the plant love sunlight. A plant needs air, just like you. It needs air to survive, that is true. A plant needs soil to grow very well. How tall it will grow, only time will tell. A plant needs water to live and grow. If you didn't know that, well now you know. Something else a plant needs is some space. It will grow well in a nice open place. A plant needs 5 things to stay alive. These are the 5 things it needs to survive.
The care of animals and birds. There are different kinds of animals and birds in our surroundings. Given below are the reasons why we should take care of animals and birds. 1. Animal wealth. We get milk, wool, and eggs from some animals. Besides, animals like donkeys, bulls, horses, and camels are used as means of transport. 2. Other uses. The dogs guard our homes. The cats kill the rats and mice. Some birds eat insects. So we are much relieved from the nuisance of rats and insects. Suggestions for the care of the animals and birds. 1. Proper arrangements should be made to keep domestic animals safely. Coops and stables should be provided for them. 2. Stables and coops should be cleaned regularly. 3. The domestic animals should be bathed regularly. 4. Care should be taken during the summer, winter, and the monsoon season. They should be protected from heat in summer and covered with sacks, etc., to give them warmth during the winter season. 5. They should be vaccinated to protect them against various diseases. 6. They should be given sufficient nourishing food and pure drinking water. 7. They should be taken out daily in open spaces to move about freely. 8. Avoid thrashing the domestic animals unnecessarily.
Take care of plants. The activities necessary for taking care of plants. Watering the plants daily. Don't cut trees. Don't crush small plants. Place the plants under sunlight. Don't pluck flowers. Plants around us. Large plants are trees. A large tree. A tree. Plants. Small plants. Plants give us flowers. Plants give us flowers. Flowers smell sweet. Rose. Cotton. Marigold. Sunflower. Tulip. Lily. Plants give us fruits and vegetables.
Potatoes, tomatoes, guava, bringle, cucumber, cauliflower, orange, apple, onion, bananas, pineapple, strawberries, peas, grapes, radish.
All the best and thank you, students.